What's going on, guys? It's Rene Armijo from ReneSellsHouses.com, and now I am standing outside of 6112 Via Aventura out here on the west side, and we're about to go check it out. Let's go. We got some nice artificial turf, oversized cement steps, and beautiful river rock. We've got a very nice front patio with updated light fixtures, fresh paint, and this really groovy and retro tile. The home has been completely remodeled. On the first floor, it's wall-to-wall oversized porcelain tile. The fireplace looks very nice. Over here, there's a little bar that looks very cool. This continues all the way to the other side of the house. You'll see a sort of a galley kitchen here. It's been updated, of course, granite countertops, a deep sink, very updated. Over here, we got the butcher block countertops, and of course, the pot filler, which is very cool, over the gas stove. Over here, we have the oven and the microwave made to look like a double oven, stainless steel. Very bright, beautiful window. There's the second fireplace and just an overall beautiful remodel. Except for this, instead of putting an updated light fixture on the wall, they should have put a recessed light on the ceiling. I mean, that's really what's modern and what's updated, but it's okay. Moving along upstairs to the bedrooms, they've got some very nice laminate wood floors, obviously fresh paint across the walls. Now, up here, they did have recessed lighting on the ceiling. This is the master bedroom with access to a back patio. Here is the master ensuite. We have the double sink. However, there are no vanity mirrors, which is kind of odd, something that should definitely be addressed before closing on this home. Over here is a very spacious shower with not one, but two shower heads just in case. And what is a master bedroom without an awesome master walk-in closet? All right, so let's check out the balcony from the master bedroom. As you can see, it's a huge lot. This home is on a half-acre lot. There is the beautiful pool and hot tub. Looks very nice. Now, along with the remodel, it looks like they must have put a whole new roof on this house as well, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and check out the backyard. Again, they continue with the retro tile. We got a covered patio with fans on. Great for entertaining, great for cookouts. The backyard could use some landscaping work. It is awfully large and an awful lot to maintain, I'm sure. Here's the view from the back of the house. Now, let's check out what this backyard is really all about, and that's the pool. So there's no need to go back to the office for this one. I actually already looked at the numbers. Well, I printed them and brought them along with us. So they're asking $669,000 for this house. That puts it at $192 per square foot. The average days on market for houses sold in this area is 30. This house has already been on the market for 44 days. The average price per square foot of houses sold in this area is 147, and they're asking for 192. The most expensive house per square foot sold for $195 a square foot. So these guys are putting their property right up there. They're saying our house is just as good as the most expensive house out there. Now, granted, the remodel is beautiful. However, like I always say, the market has the last word. Since it has been on the market for 44 days, almost 2 weeks more than the average, the market has spoken. And the market is saying you're not going to get 669,000 for this house. So if this were my client and I were advising them on buying this house, I'd come in below ask price, maybe 645,000. If not, I would ask that the seller pay my buyer's closing costs, possibly even pay down their interest rate if possible, and just, you know, start a negotiation that way. Because I can promise you this house is not going to sell for 669,000. But I'll keep you informed on it. Stay tuned.